Two Labs, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss in the house. How y'all doing today? I do apologize for any noise that you may hear. My son is back there playing with his ball. I love to hear him playing. If I don't hear him playing, I know something going on. So excuse any noise that you might hear. You good, baby? Get that ball. Get that ball. Where your ball? Where your toy grandma got you? Where your toy grandma got you? Hey! So today's video is going to be of me trying a product. I've used this particular brand before, but I've never used this particular line in this brand. So I'm super duper excited to share it with you and we'll go through it together. So today's video is all about Freeman's facial mask. And today I'm going to try the Cosmic Holographic Peel-Off Mask. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if any of you guys have ever tried this before or not. This is my first time for sure trying this particular one. This is the Hydrating Amethyst. Y'all, I'm all about crystals and all of that. So amethyst just really got me going. That's what kind of made me want to purchase this. By the way, you do get a lot of bang for your buck. This is a 16 floral ounce. And you can't beat that for like $4. I think it was $3 and some change. I'm just rounding it off to $4. This product is extremely easy to use. Basically, the directions just say apply an even layer to clean, dry face, avoiding your eyes, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until it is dry. Gently peel off mask from outer edges. Rinse with warm water. Use twice a week or as often as needed. So y'all, come on, let's get into it. So y'all know I'm all about smell, so I hope this smells amazing. Okay, I really hope it does. Oh, this is perfect. See, now I like this. So the way that this is set up is it has a tin covering on it, so this kind of just lets you know that no one has tampered or opened this product. So I really like that. Let's go ahead and peel that back like so. I'm trying not to squeeze it, y'all, because I don't want it to pop out on me. Oh, look at that. Okay, I can see that. Okay, so it doesn't smell bad, but it does not smell great. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell great. I don't know if you can kind of see. It looked like it may possibly be purple. So, oh, that is so cute. It is. Look. And I'm going to go ahead and just apply it on my face. Oh, man. By the way, my face is clean. In the event any of you are wondering, I washed my face before I started filming. Oh, wow. Feel like an avatar. So I'm going to put up some information about amethyst, just in case any of you are wondering about the benefits of amethyst. Okay. I'm sure you guys out there probably can already tell that this might judge by just my bracelets alone. I love crystals, rocks. I love natural healing and things of that sort. So it's right up my alley. Oh, the color is just super amazing. Y'all, I'm shooting with my phone again. As mentioned in the previous video, I'm still trying to learn my MacBook, Apple MacBook. If y'all agree that Apple is just a whole nother language of its own, y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you like this, the way this amethyst face mask looks on me, oh wow, it's just amazing. Y'all give this video a thumbs up. So that might be enough. Oh, It may be enough. I don't know. I'll add just a tad bit more. I don't want to go too crazy with it. Oh, wow. Now, I love Freeman's products. I believe I've done about 2 videos on Freeman's facial mask. If you have not checked those videos out, then you should see links to those videos down in the description box below. If not, I'll have it as a card somewhere along the top for you guys to check out. So, I don't know what time it is. I don't have my clock, my watch on. So, it's 5:24. I'm going to keep this on for 15 minutes. So, well, 5:25. So, 30, 35, 40. So, I'm going to keep this on to 5:40. And then, I'll follow back up with you guys. Okay, you guys. So, so far, I just kind of want to let you guys know how I'm feeling right now. It feels very cold on my face. And when I get out of the light, you really can't see the holographic or the beauty of this Amazfit facial mask. So you only can see it in the light. I was going to take you guys in the bathroom with me where I don't have any window or anything, but I just didn't feel like it. But there's definitely a difference. You can't really see the holographic in a not so well lit area. Also, I kind of want to talk about, I kind of want to just talk about the amount of product to apply. The directions does not tell you how much of this product to apply. So I don't know if I have enough on here or if I have more than enough on my face. That's where I kind of get a little thrown off when it comes to facial masks. Now, when I've used some of Freeman's other facial masks, because it is more heavier, maybe a little bit more thicker, I could really kind of judge as to how much I was applying on my face or not applying to my face. Because this particular mask, although it comes out thick, it layers on thinly. So it's hard for me to tell if I got enough of the product on my face. But I guess since this is a test trial, it really just doesn't matter if I have enough or not, because we're just trying to see what the results are going to look like at the end. Now, the smell, as it dries, I wasn't too fond of the scent of the product while in the bottle or in the, whatever you call this thing, inside of here. But as it dries on my face, it does smell a little, I don't know, like plasticky. I did get a little bit on my lip right there, so I gotta try my best not to get it in my mouth. As y'all can see, I have really uber thin eyebrows, and that was another thing about this product. It said do not get it on your eyebrows, and I believe I got just a tad bit on my eyebrows, y'all. So I can feel that it is definitely getting drier. It's getting harder for me to really move my mouth about and even talk. So far we are 7 minutes into the drying process, and y'all, it dries very quickly. As I get closer up to the camera, you can kind of see here where it's starting to ruffle up just a tad bit because it is drying. Even when I turn to the side here, you can see where it is drying. This side over here hasn't quite gotten dry yet. Getting back to things again, y'all, it's getting harder and harder for me to even talk because it's just definitely getting really dry down here in this chin area here. And I don't know, it just feels like it's getting real tight. Let's see what time it is. Ooh. So 5:25 I put it on, so 5:25, 30, 35, 40. So it's 5:40, it will make 15 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start the peeling process. So now it is officially 5:40. It has been 15 minutes. And I don't even know where to begin because this stuff does go on so thin. I don't even know how to peel this mess off, okay? All that dandruff. Okay, so let's just try, see what we come up with. Now this side still felt a little, so. Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh. Hallelujah. Look. Staring. See right there, it's still a little wet. It's amazing. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh. Ooh. 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 Hey. Okay. Now I see why I said don't get it in your hair. You definitely don't want to pull your hair out. Y'all, so this is everything that came out of my face. This is all of it that came off. You can see the hieroglyphics. I can see a little dirt in there. And see, again, I'm not filming with my camera, so it's not really zooming in for you to really be able to see. So I may have to do a follow-up video at a later date, but I can see where it has some dirt in there. Y'all, it's amazing. I still got some pieces that might be slightly wet, and that's why they didn't come off, like this side here, and then like that little bit there. But per the directions, it also says to rinse your face with some warm water, so I'm definitely going to do that.